What is up, you guys? This just came in today. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Sorry for the bad quality. So let's get this going. Okay, triton headset right there. Kama or Kuma. Alright, look at this. Fuck. Okay, here's the headset adapter. Let me just open this real quick. Fuck, get the box, nigga. Okay, here's the adapter. Fits right into your controller. Okay. Here's the wire to update your controller. Yep. Now the thing we've been waiting for a long while. The headset itself. Looks nice. Yeah. Some paper. No one reads these anymore. It's pretty simple how to find out and do it. So this has been an unboxing of the Triton headset. Hope you guys enjoy and like.